The silly monkey who wore socks. Monkey face socks. One sunny morning, a little monkey named Momo found a colorful pair of socks hanging on a clothesline. "Wow," said Momo, "these must be magic socks." Instead of putting them on his feet, Momo wore one on each ear. The parrots burst into laughter. "Momo, socks go on your feet." "Oh," said Momo, "no wonder I can't hear properly." Next, Momo put the socks on his tail. Still not right. Finally, he wore them on his feet and danced happily. Just then, he slipped on a banana peel. Whoosh! He spun around 3 times, landed safely in a pile of soft leaves, and started laughing. Soon all the jungle animals were laughing too. Momo smiled and said, "Sometimes the funniest mistakes become the happiest memories." From that day on, Momo always wore his socks on his feet. Well, almost always. The end. Rainbow. Moral. It's okay to make funny mistakes, they help us learn and make others smile. Smile.